Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the frequency that your Galaxy Watch measures your heart rate. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the bottom of the watch screen to open the Apps menu. In the Apps menu, tap on the Settings cog. Scroll down the settings and tap Samsung Health. Tap Heart Rate at the top of the options. You can now choose between Measure Continuously, every 10 minutes while still, or Manual only. Tap 1 to select that option. You can also enable and disable low and high heart rate alerts here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Galaxy Watch tips and tricks.